Hello everybody. So right here I got a 1994 Chevy Silverado V6 4.3 liter, and I'm basically getting a ticking noise coming from the manifold. And what I'm doing is I was gonna take off the whole manifold right there, not the intake, the exhaust manifold, sorry about that. And I noticed that the gaskets were all burnt out. I got this one's in okay condition. That one's okay too. And this one's a little wore out. Looks a little worn out. And so what I did is I took off the whole intake so I can get access to the manifold, and I just took off the 6 volts, and hopefully that fixes my problem. I'm gonna replace it right now with these new ones. These are the conditions of the new ones compared to the old ones. Look at that, it's all messed up. I'm just using a regular ratchet, and so if this ticking noise doesn't go away, I'm gonna have to replace the whole manifold, and at least take it off. I didn't want to go down there, all the way down there, and take off those 3 bolts if I didn't have to. So I'm just gonna slide this gaskets in there and put the bolts in, and hopefully it works. I'll update you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I forgot to let you guys know, but I slid the first one in there, and as you can tell, sorry, my dog's making a hole. These gaskets have a rough side and a flat side, and the rough side goes towards the manifold as so, and the flat side goes towards the engine. And then what I'm doing is I'm putting the bolts in first. I'm just barely hand tightening them, so that way these hooks, when I slide the gasket in, it just slides in there and hangs off the hooks, and at the end I just tie in all the bolts, make sure everything's snug, and that's about it. Okay, so as so, I got the new gaskets in there, all facing the right way. The intake back on, and the only test now is to turn it on, see if the ticking noise went away.
Next time, guaranteed it.
And it sure did. There it is. No more ticking noise. The mechanic wanted to charge me 180 to 200 dollars just to fix those gaskets, and I said no, not today, not today, sir. So that's a fix right there. 6 bolts, a about $12 in gaskets, and I guess good truck. All right, well, see you guys later.